This is a short video about how to make an assembly drawing including a bill of materials for your desk. So here we go, just a simple example of a desk type part. You could either come here to make drawing from part assembly, or over here make drawing from assembly right here. Same thing. We're going to use this B size paper, 17 inches wide, 11 inches tall. So B ANSI landscape. Okay. Bring in the front view here. Keep in mind this is still in first angle projection, which we're going to want to come and change. So this view up here, do isometric view, but this view up here is the worm's eye view. And we alter that by coming here and going to properties, third angle projection, apply changes. And now that's the way we want to see that. And we've got our isometric view over here. Okay. Now what we're going to do though is we're going to go to insert and go to tables, and we're going to do a bill of materials. We don't need to change anything here. We're going to leave with the defaults. You click check. Now this thing called the bill of materials will come into your drawing, right? What this does is it gives us information about what parts are actually used to create the assembly. And one last thing we can do here is then go to insert, annotations, auto balloon, and it's going to ask you for the drawing sheet view to insert the balloons. We're going to do it. Oh, or that could even work on our isometric view. That's kind of cool too. You could potentially have selected on front view, but if you've got your isometric view, that works pretty well too. Click check there, and now we can actually move these balloons around. And the cool thing is that these numbers interface with the item numbers in your bill of material. And if you were to add another part or anything, this bill of material will update itself and even the quantity of each of the parts. So that's a very helpful tool when you're making assembly drawings, so that your customer or whoever is assembling this knows exactly what parts, where they are, and how many of them are required for the assembly. The other thing you can do here is, in yours likely this description is not populating underneath here. It's an open-ended unfilled in table. If you double click in here and click on keep link, you can actually type these letters and values in, whatever you want to call this. Table support. Just another cool function that's in here. We'll actually relate back into the file, the part file that was used, each of these components, but that's a cool thing that you can do as well.